My name is Mark Ambridge, Sales Director of Topcoat Specialist Coatings. We're standing on level 20 of the AT Victoria Carpark in the city. AT engaged Topcoat to apply approximately 2,500 square metres of Diggedar traffic system to level 20 here, 17 and 3 and 4 below. Our crew have a lot of experience of applying the Diggedar traffic system. We did a similar project for AT down on 15 and 16 last year. The key difference this year is that we've used the Diggedar court system, and it gives it a really pleasing aesthetic finish. The key thing with the Diggedar is that there's no loss of time between coats, so we're able to get through and get the outside areas done within the month of April, and then we move down to levels 3 and 4. We had some challenges on 3 and 4, close proximity to the public. We had to manage the noise and the smell, and some of that work involved our crew working nights as well. But we've come out of it, had a fantastic result, and AT, the client, is very happy.
Hi, my name is Bernard Scott. I'm from Diggerfloor, New Zealand. We are the supplier of the Diggedar traffic system. I'm standing here on the level 20 of the Victoria Street car park here in Auckland City. The product was chosen by Auckland Transport for a number of reasons. Firstly, cost effective when you consider the product cost over its life cycle. The fact that it's very rapid curing, so it really minimises your downtime when you're dealing with inclement weather and trying to get areas back to service as quickly as you can to minimise the disruption of the car park. Another benefit of the Diggedar system is its ability to go over multiple different types of substrates, everything from concrete to asphalt to mastic asphalt, so it makes it very unique, a real benefit when you've got multiple surfaces on the one project. So a great result from the team of Topcoat Auckland with Mark and his team, a very good result, very pleased with the outcomes.